I like that this hairstyle is twisted away from me. I love that it's up in a ponytail, so it's still swinging. She's still swinging. Oh hey, oh hey, oh hey. Welcome back to another video. My name is Janona Ray. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. You want these vibes, okay? Positive vibes, positive energy all the time, or at least most of the time, because let's be realistic. Anyway, so today is going to be a nice short video. I hope I'm going to be showing you different ways to style your distressed locks. I did these myself. If you want to know how I did it, super quick, super easy, no corn rolling, no braiding. Just make sure that you watch the video. I have linked up top and down below. So let's get into this video. So these bad boys right here, these bad boys are 3 weeks old. I actually just finished refreshing them. You can check out that video up top or down below. I'm gonna give you guys a quick look of what they look like. Now, with that being said, if you have some long locks and you love how they look, if you've had these locks for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, if you had them for a couple days and want to change up the style, this is what you can do. I'm going to take a shoelace. This is back to the high school days. And I'm actually just going to grab the first 6 that I see. Do I want to grab this one? Nope. Do I want to grab this one? Sure. Okay, so we're going to grab this one up here. And what I'm going to do is literally just put the back of the string behind those 6 locks. I'm going to bring them up. I'm going to not tie it, but I'm going to just put one in front. Sorry if I smacked you with my hair. Okay. I'm just crisscrossing them and now I'm going to tie them. And I'm just going to put it into a little bow. Okay, and I'm just going to flip this back. This is a classic half up, half down. As you can see, you can just bring up whichever pieces you want. Normally this isn't brought up, but it's different and I love different. So if you want more volume up top, you can just bring it closer. And then you have more volume up top. So that can be style number 1. If you want to go more for like a oldies look, if you're going to an oldies party nowadays during COVID. But if this is a vibe for you, just rock it. This is more my vibe. Bring it to the front a little bit. Bring some of the locks to the front. And this is what it looks like. So you tell me, is this a vibe? Is it? Do you think it's a vibe? I think it's a vibe. On to the next style. Do I want to do this? I'm literally just making it up as I go. No, I don't like that. If this don't look like a Cinnabon, man, I don't know what it looks like. So this right here, this is not a vibe. So we're going to take this off. So we're just going to push these back. What I've been doing, honestly, is just taking these 2 from the side and flipping them over. And you can definitely just have a side swoop, but let's change. So your girl has a nice little dress on and I am wearing my hair to the side. I think that even though this look is super simple, it can just definitely change things up so you don't have the middle part. I like to loop them right after the first one so that way they can just stay. And then you can just definitely change up your earrings. If you want, you can just push this to the side and just have a nice side look. Very summery, very cute. If you don't want this side look, and if you wanted to do something a little different, you can just twist this up right here. Twist it, bring it back, push it forward. Or you can even twist these 2 up in there. Okay, literally just adding them in. and then you can secure it with a bobby pin. If you wanted a different vibe, you can still keep these to the side, and then you have a little bit of a design here, and then you're good to go. So it's cute, it's not doing too much, but it's something to look at on both sides. And you're good to go. Simple and to the point, but if you wanted to do them on both sides, you can, which would give us a third look. And all I'm doing is literally just twisting. Twisting and then just firmly placing it down so that I can secure it with a bobby pin. Now, if you have some thick locks, you may need a couple bobby pins. So you want to make sure you do it on the inside right here, but then I'm going to secure it right here as well. Okay, so this is the third hairstyle, right? More of a twist. So this is what it looks like from the back. I like it. I think it's cute. It keeps your locks out of your face and you still have your hair loose. But if you didn't want your hair all up on your neck, grab a hair tie. So I'm gonna double it up. Wish me luck that these locks don't fall off, okay? And this is why I prefer a shoelace. So this is what this looks like, okay? You can add some cufflinks, make it real cute. I already know where I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna add it right here. Did you guess right? Did you guess that I was gonna add the cuff right there? Did you? If you did, you're amazing. So this is what the next style looks like, and I absolutely love it. Literally, guys, I'm making this up as I go, but that's just how I work. So I like that this hairstyle is twisted away from me. I love that it's up in a ponytail. So it's still swinging. She's still swinging, but it's condensed into one area. And I really love the cufflinks because it just gives it a little pop. And then all you have to do is literally just lay your edges down. I've laid mine, so they're good to go. This little thing right here, this is because the lock is old. I would have to either retighten it, put some gel on, or maybe even put a bobby pin right here to slake it. But because the locks are old and I'm enjoying and loving this lock look, the only reason this one's a little tighter is because I redid it. So take a note of that. I honestly want to end this video here because I love this style and I don't want to take it off. Bye. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Oh my gosh, I really love this style. Let me know down in the comments if you like this style. Let me know if you like the half up, half down. Let me know if you like the side swoop or if you like the side swoop with the twist. Let me know which style you like the most. I'm trying to think of a style right now that I can do that you guys will really like. Something different. I'm all about doing something different. Now, of course, you can create a really high ponytail. You can create a high ponytail with a bun. But I feel like those are very simple styles. And on my channel, if you're not subscribed, you're going to get something different with a twist. Even if I do something simple, just like I did now, it's not the same. And I'm gonna do one more style that I just thought of. And then I'll let you guys go. I'll let you guys enjoy your day. I'm not sure what you're doing, but I hope that the styles that I've created today have given you some type of inspiration. I hope that my styles have given you guys a new outlook on how you can style your distressed locks. If you have them, if you want to get them, if you don't have locks and you just have braids, you can do this hairstyle even with twists in your hair. That is one thing I love about natural hair. You can do these with any type of hair texture, hairstyle. So I'm really feeling the look to the right. So maybe I might just braid it. Let me see. All right, so that's that. So I'm going to flip my head over and I'm going to use the shoelace to put it up in a high ponytail. Give me a second. Look at my baby. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. He just woke up. I need to braid his hair. Say hello. Oh. Just to draw attention to the top, I am going to add some cuffs all over. So unfortunately, I can't get it to as high as I want it to go. I want it to be this high so that you have this like waterfall wave effect going, and then this go into of a twisted look up into the high ponytail. And I also added the cufflinks on there because I really wanted to draw the attention to this twisted area. Unfortunately, I would say I didn't deliver the look, but what I can say is that I at least wanted to share it with you so that if you have the time to be able to do it, then hey, why not? Take a stab at it. But this is the final look. These are all simple. I feel like they are all very doable. They don't take a lot of time. If you have locks, if you have twists, if you have straight hair, you can do it. It's not going to look exactly the same, but you can still give it a try. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you like the ideas that I presented you, and you know, that's it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, leave me a comment, drop your vibes. Are you feeling it? Are you not? Let me know, okay? Peace, love, positive vibes always.